Our final choir on stage is ready to perform tonight because it seems they have food on their minds. Let's see how hungry they are to win. Give it up for Godfrey Stewart High School.
Ayo, mighty deaf meaning them say no man you chew man.
And when you catch it with the sauce mackerel and the sauce fish and the coconut oil, and when you rock back and lick your big finger, you not feel wonder, oh the yum sweet. One morning I saw an old man eating a piece of overnight jam. The yam was hard and for a rich line, and he sucked the old man short. A lady come and knocked him back. Pam pam pam, the piece of yam jam. Why oh why the old man dead? Why oh why? The old man dead. When they roast me yellow yam and me slice it in a dough, how nice it will be with me ackee and me saltfish.
Saltfish. Me tell for name saltfish. I can't eat oxtail or something else.
A saltfish eat with yam. And when you get chips with the sauce mackerel and the sauce fish and the coconut oil, and when you rock back and lick your big finger, you not feel wonder, oh the yum yum sweet, oh the yum yum sweet, oh the yum yum sweet.
Godfrey Stewart, you sang some of my favorite folk songs. I love the ones about food. And you sang about food. Now, from the costumes and the faces, we were pulled in to your performance. And I mean, I wanted to see each face, but sometimes I had a challenge because especially when you bunched up, you had some taller people in front of some shorter people, and I wanted to see everybody's face. So what you need to do is to find a space and put your face in between the space so that we can really enjoy you. The diction, no, is yam. Is not yum. You understand? So that's really the only thing, but we enjoyed that immensely. Thank you.
Godfrey Stewart, your use of melodic color and dynamic shading was great. Your faces were happily married to your outfits. Awesome. A matter of fact, you just look out Camper Down.